I started by looking at references on Google Images. I especially focused on the hair and facial expressions as I feel those are extremely Jaiden and really set her character apart. The next step was doing some short and quick sketches so I could decide between ideas and muddle through the mess of ideas I started with. The focus on iconography was intentional as Jaiden is an animator, so a lot of her content is made of hand-drawn frames, so a fully type-based logo feels like it would be a mismatch with her overall content. Next, I drew out my main idea on clearer paper and used pens to add some colour. I chose these colours because Jaiden's overall branding uses a lot of purple. For example, the purple shirt she wears on her profile picture and the purple in her VTuber model. I used the teal blue because it's the colour she draws her pet bird Ari in, and on multiple occasions she's explained her love for Hatsune Miku, and teal blue is Miku's hair colour and the colour of accents on her character design. After that, I finally loaded it up in Illustrator. I'm really sorry for the glitching on the side. My laptop sometimes struggles a bit with recording, and I only realised it was partially corrupted when I loaded it up in editing. So thankfully it's still watchable, but that is a little bit annoying. And I'll speed this part up for clarity as I'm sure you've got other things to do today. But something of note at the start is the fonts. And I've learnt that having too many script fonts in one design can make it kind of a muddle and hard to read, so I balanced it out with sans serif on the word animations. And I still wanted some script there though because of the hand-drawn nature of Jaiden's content. I used the curvature pen to draw the hair because despite the way it can lack in accuracy, being able to move individual anchor points is important to me, and it can create more natural looking curves, which works well on Jaiden's hair because of the more curved nature of her fringes and bangs. I changed the colours in the end because I felt the hair would be better integrated in if it had the same colours as the text. Now we are done. Here's the final product right next to me. I did two versions because I have to keep in mind the range of different scenes that the logo would be viewed in. So having a black and white one means that on a dark background you can have a fully white logo, and if it's printed on something you can change the colour so it works on the printed thing. Especially because a lot of Jaiden's branding is purple, a lot of the places the logo will be used in will be purple, so being able to change the colour of the logo means not having to change an entire interface for it. This one, I feel like I've really furthered my skills going through the process of making a new logo. Also, I don't mind if anyone uses my designs for stuff. I made this one for Jaiden, so it's up to her how this is used, and if you're watching this and don't like it, Jaiden, drop a comment and I'll take the video down, no problem. This was just my way of doing a fan art, as I'm hopeless at drawing and design is where I live. And to anyone else here, thank you so much for watching. This is my third video and it really means the world to me that I can share what I do with you guys. And if you want to see more, I already have a video up on this channel where I show you how to use the curvature pen to make an iPad wallpaper. So give that a watch if you have a moment. But honestly, the best thing you guys could do is subscribe and just be here. I really appreciate it. It's really awesome that this is something I can do now. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye!